Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Christopher in Kentucky on the Stryker SR-447HPC2. Christopher, got it ready to go for you, bud. Spoke with you on the phone. You said you would not be running an amplifier, but let me just show you with the RF power all the way down. 50-watt slug, 1 watt of carrier. That way, if you decide to run an amp or sell it to someone that does, they can. 10 watts all the way up. That's where I would run it if you're just going to run the radio. I'm going to show you average power swing. Low 38 bird, which means peak on the 100 watt scale. Low, looking at around 90 peak. Okay, there's your RF power there. We got to talk about talk back on the phone. 1 2 1 2 1 2. There's your echo adjustment. And you notice this changing when I key up. It reads your SWR all the time right there digitally, live. 1.0 right now. Mic and RF gain. Don't like the color blue, you can flip that up and change it anything you want. Too bright for you, flip it all the way down. Then use this to adjust that. Okay, there's your AM and FM. These are great radios. You know, they're compact, that size of a Cobra 25. A monstrous heat sink all across the back. Really sell a lot of these and never get any comebacks. They're just tough. 4-pin right here in the front as well. Okay. Alright, if it's something you're looking for, give us a shout at www.truckscbsales.com. We've got one of these left till our next shipment comes in. From your friend Truck, truckscbsales.com. Bum bum.